Speak these sentences with me.
I am ready. Come here. Sit down. Stand up. Wait for me. Look at me. Listen to me. Follow me. Open the door. Close the door. Turn left. Turn right. Come inside. Go outside. I am coming. I am leaving. Call me later. Try again. Speak slowly. I understand. I don't know. Please help me. Give me water. Take this. Bring it here. What happened? What are you doing? Where are you going? Who is there? What is this? What is that? I am learning. I am trying. I am speaking. I am listening. I am reading. I am writing. I am walking. I am cooking. I am eating. I am drinking. I am sleeping. I am waking up. I am walking. I am running. I am waiting. I am thinking. I am smiling. I am watching. I am starting. I am stopping. I am playing. I am studying. I am calling. I am talking. I am asking. I am answering. I am cleaning. I am washing. I am opening. I am closing. I am buying. I am selling. I am choosing. I am checking. I am searching. I am finding. I am meeting. I am helping. I am sharing. I am moving. I am sitting. I am standing. I am traveling. I am driving. I am learning fast. I am feeling good. I am feeling happy. I am feeling tired. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling better. I am feeling sad. I am getting ready. I am going home. I'm going outside. I'm coming back. I'm waiting here. I'm standing here. I'm sitting here. I am looking there. I am going now. I am coming now. I am starting now. I am stopping now. I am learning English. I am speaking English. I am improving daily. I am practicing daily. I am confident now.